Alright, we're getting ready to go camping on some crown land. I don't want to expose the exact location because I can't have everyone going there. Got my new pack, my whole new setup for this year. Gonna do some fishing. As you can see, I got my rod in the back.
We got the beers, got the candy.
Got essentials. Got coffee, I got beer, fishing rod, call it a day.
Let's do it.
It's a good day to be alive. Come to think of it, every day's a good day to be alive.
All right, we're starting the camping trip.
The original Ginsburg's house again.
Matt, this is not the epic footage you want right now. This is Dustin fucking the dog.
Joey, walk right in the puddle.
Why?
Does it look cool?
Is that what men do? I don't have waterproof boots.
Look it in. Brock told me I was at a half minute. I was enough.
All right, Joey, how's the trek going?
Trek is good. The men are in the back to make sure the little sheep are okay up there.
Oh, I got that on video.
Oh!
Let's try not to fall. The sun is out, the rain is gone, and we're still hiking. I really hope Brock knows where he's taking us, because if not, we're gonna spend the night in the middle of the woods, not at a campsite. We'll see. I trust him, I trust him.
Oh yeah, boys. We
Oh.
got ourselves a little logging road.
Clearing, nice.
What is this?
Little logging road. That's the guy.
I'm taking care of everyone, don't worry.
Alright, I think we're going this way. Sun to our left, northeast, and then.
There's no problem for me. Honestly. They call me Ranger Pack Joe. I did not think I was making it.
So we seem to have come to a rock ledge.
Mountain.
Leg day, boys. Whoa.
Yeah, boys, we're halfway.
All right, halfway there, made it to this meadow.
Oh yeah. That was a bit of a steep hill though.
Yeah, steep climb to get here.
Alright, this way, boys.
We're just rolling up to our campsite here, and the water is super heavy. It's the springtime, so the falls are crazy. Whoa, this is nuts. Whoa. We're gonna have to go somewhere common to go fishing. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is sick. Just getting my tent all set up. It's getting a little chilly. Time to grab some firewood. It's gonna go down to about 1 degree Celsius, maybe even 0. So we better get the fire going nice and strong. We're gonna try our luck at some fishing here. See if we can catch some trout, hopefully. Whether we catch fish or not, still enjoying the scenery. It's really cool out here. Hey, no fish for us today.
No fish, but clear eyes and full hearts.
What he said. Okay, day 2 of fishing. Didn't get anything yesterday. Was out for about an hour, so hopefully we have better luck today. I'm using my Meps number 3. It's my favorite lure. It's pretty much all I use these days. Okay, I have to say, I'm pretty blessed to be living in Canada, where this is basically 2-3 hours from my house, and it's crown land, which means anyone can enjoy it. Yeah, pretty lucky. We live in an amazing place. Alright, I'm making my way out. The other guys are staying there another night, but fortunately I gotta get back home. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's too bad I didn't catch any fish, but hey, it is what it is. That's why they call it fishing and not catching. Next time will be better though. Alright, catch you guys in the next video. Peace.